Hello guys, welcome back to Technic Forest Learning. In this video, I'll show you how to use Quora for market research. Let's start. Quora market research can be a great method of collecting information on customer pain points. In market research for small businesses, free public questions from your audience are hard to beat. If it fits into your marketing plan, you can also consider putting some effort into answering Quora questions and repurposing your blog post as part of a Quora marketing strategy that can increase their reach and visibility. Next, let's talk about why you need a Quora marketing strategy. A question and answer site might not seem like the most exciting addition to your social media marketing strategy. However, Quora is excellent at generating organic awareness, improving your reputation, and even helping you to learn more about your audience. On this platform, you get exceptional reach, share questions and answer with over 300 million monthly visitors. Quora is one of the best respected UGC platforms around. You also get search visibility. Quora questions are searchable through Google. Your content here remains evergreen, driving people back to your site whenever a problem is trending. You also get thought leadership potential. Next, let's talk about what are 5 basic methods of market research. The majority of businesses conduct market research by analyzing surveys, focus groups, personal interviews, observation, and field trials. In order to choose the right data usage for your business, you need to consider what type of data you'll need, along with how much money you intend to spend on it. So why is market research important on Quora? Your market research can shed light on what customers and potential customers see in your business, and it may show you what customer expectations are in your customer base. In marketing, it is crucial that you have this information on hand. By making successful business decisions with good market information, risks are minimized. And with all this in mind, here are 12 quick ways that marketers can get the most out of Quora in as little as 5 minutes per day. Number 1. Create the optimal Quora profile. Every time you leave an answer, a bit of your bio is viewable right at the top. This is a great opportunity to extend a little bragging. Quora shows the first 50 characters of your profile, like your name and bio, as the tagline above your answer. Mention your brand name as close to the beginning as you can, and make the most of your 50 characters. Your full bio can contain clickable links and even add mentions of other users. Number 2. Track topics with notifications. One of Quora's best benefits for businesses is a fun type of market research. You can learn what people are asking about your industry, and you can have these questions and answers sent to your inbox every day. Additionally, each time you log into Quora, your home feed will contain the latest and greatest from the topics, people, and blogs that you follow. Number 3. Find the best questions to answer. You can answer any questions you'd like on Quora, which is a great way to get involved in the community and share knowledge. If you're looking for a strategic way to answer questions, here are some things to consider. First, search your chosen topic. Choose a topic, find threads with lots of upvotes, and find new questions. Next, number 4. Answer a question with authority. As you spread knowledge, you gain expertise and influence. Perhaps Quora's most immediate benefit for marketers is being seen as an authority on a certain topic. Answer a question, provide great value, and your influence will soar. Number 5. Re-answer questions you've answered in your blog and link it to your answer. Now we're getting a bit into the realm of repurposing content, making your blog posts and articles provide value long after they've published. Number 6. Build a Quora page for your business. Much like Wikipedia, anyone can create a page on Quora about anything. This makes for a great chance to build a company page for your business. Next, number 7. Perform research on a topic. What are people asking on Quora? These questions can lead to great blog posts, and there are a couple of ways to do this. Flip through the questions and answers, from the topic that your blog covers. Validate your idea with Quora. Moving on to number 8. Get quick and easy crowdsourced content. Not only can Quora help you come up with story ideas, it can help you come up with entire blog posts. This idea of crowdsourced content follows a bit in the mold of roundup posts. Ask people their opinion on a topic and collect all their answers into an article. Number 9. Discover new headline ideas. Much like you might do a bit of headline research by typing your keywords into a Google search, you can do the same with Quora. What you'll see on the research page is how people ask their questions about your chosen keyword, and therefore, how you can frame your content. The most popular questions in terms of answers and upvotes can be a signal about the value of the way things are worded, and it can help with writing headlines for your next blog post. Number 10. Help with customer support and influence. One of the biggest benefits of Quora is building authority, and right behind that is using Quora to provide customer support to your users and to provide positive influence to discussions about your product. Like all other social media channels, Quora lets you communicate directly with customers. On Quora, they may be asking questions about your product specifically, and what better feeling than to have those questions answered by an employee of that company or even the CEO. Second to the last, 11. Analyze your Quora stats. Quora provides free analytics for all users, showing you a detailed breakdown of the following: views, upvotes, and shares, and displaying these stats for each of the following categories: the question you ask, the questions you give, the blog posts you write, and all the content you contribute. Now we're down to the last one, number 12. Start a Quora blog to repurpose your content. One neat way to get involved on Quora, besides the standard questions and answer format, is to start blogging. At Quora, you can create a blog and publish stories. So, is Quora something you've considered for your marketing strategy? Which of these do you think might be helpful for you and your business? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave it in the comments down below. And before this video ends, did you know that you can rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works? Get yourself and your customers free targeted traffic with guest posts on high-ranking and high-traffic websites. Introducing Post-Affluence, backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. With Post-Affluence, you can find perfect sites to target, outreach automation, and trade in guest posts and links. It is so easy. You'll have your first campaign running within an hour. It has powerful dashboard, website finder, short lists, email campaign, SMS campaign, marketplace, snippets, and detailed reports and analytics. Stop getting expensive ad traffic that drives your profitability into the ground and try Post-Affluence right now. Just go to getpostaffluence.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.